I've been touring with Alister from Window World, and he has been showing me all the premium offices, homes and venues that he has built. So we came here to Ballito to check out a venue that was transformed into a family entertainment area. So if you're looking for something to do with your kids, here is a place for you. Right, subscribe. Eterna dreams are forever. I'm just gonna take a guess as to what they do.
What do you think?
That's how I like to be inquisitive. So these people are consultants that when you wake up in the morning and you had an amazing dream and you can't remember it, you phone them and then they help you make it. They help you make it come true. That is my wild guess. I'm just having fun. I'm just joking.
So from the outside of the building, you can see the aesthetics of it.
I'm guessing that the shaded. What's it, glass or is it?
That's fiberglass.
Fiberglass.
Yeah, fiberglass sheeting.
Is there a reason why they are shaded different blue?
It's actually for the theme of the building. The building is actually fun.
Okay.
Dreams. Dreams are always colorful.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be bright and happy. So they've decided to put that incorporate it into the building, into giving you something of a fun-looking building.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's nothing to do with filtering the light coming in.
It's also got a bit of the filtering of the light, because remember the see-through, they also got light variation that comes through inside of here.
Right.
So as you can see,
I'm so confused. I don't know what.
Basically, we have created all these apex. You see the funny design shop fronts. And stuff and all. We have created all those things there, and then when it comes to the middle of the stuff over here, we have created. This door is going to get automated soon, so. We have created all this.
I always assume this is a simple thing as just putting glass and doors everywhere, and I didn't realize that you actually need to do some design work.
So
prior to installation.
Lots of designs that
it's not a case of here's a
remember,
space.
you have to
let me just put this here.
There's a lot of stuff that you need to do to attribute it. One is the wind loading factor, the factor of the types of the aluminium that you have to put inside, the color of the and then also the glazing of it. So all these attributes of here attribute towards the coming of the product.
Now, okay, when you mentioned the word glazing, what does that mean?
So basically, we glaze in glasses over here. So you remember, we work on a system, so every glass has to be glazed, meaning that they have to put inside a rubber inside over here, and then after that glaze it through here. So you see there's a bead in the front here, and then we glaze the glass. Like how in the olden days we should have, like stuff like putty. So we evolved into the new type of era where putty is no more used now. We use normally now rubbers and clip-on beads to get you to the stuff.
Okay, so that's what glazing is. Okay, so I came inside Eterna and I'm seeing jumping castles. So maybe my assumption on what it is wrong. So I'm here to meet someone who's going to tell us what it's about. Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, thanks.
Good. So can you tell me what Eterna is about?
Okay, so Eterna is a family entertainment center. Predominantly, families come here with their kids to have fun. So we sell fun.
So is it for adults or not for adults at all? It is
adults and kids, because we have some activities. Because we have some activities for adults as well. We've got a pool table, we got darts. We also have braaiing outside. We have
Can you maybe show me some stuff?
So the soccer field and zipline are not up today, but generally on weekends we have the soccer field and zipline up.
Okay.
This is the climbing wall. This is ages 4 and up. Provided you're 90 kgs and below, you can go on all the attractions.
So some of us can't go there. 4 and up, but does it have a limit as to what age, like even adults as well?
90, adults can go, provided you're 90 kgs and below. We have lifts as well. We have ablution facilities on all the floors. We have darts for some of the dads that want to spend their time doing something else. This is a karaoke blocks. This is soundproof, air conditioned. We get song upgrades every single Friday.
So the kids go crazy in this place.
Exactly.
They have their own space, etc., to just chill out and relax.
So we have a gaming zone. This is where we have the Xbox on this side. We have an incredible restaurant. We have great food.
So do you have meals tailored for kids only?
Kids and adults. We have
what type of meals?
Pizzas, burgers. Our pizzas are made out of stone ground flour and sourdough, so it's also very healthy, nutritious. All our sauces are in-house made. Our spices are in-house made.
That's so nice. Okay, all right.
Yeah, we have sandwiches, wraps, milkshakes. We're adding a lot. I mean, we do our own split fries. We do our own braaiing outside on the weekend. Yeah.
So do people hire this entire venue for an event?
Yes, we've had many of those. So people hire it for either they want to do a close family event, so they want public here. We've had 70th birthdays, we had kids' birthdays where they hire the whole venue out. Team buildings. We've had team buildings, we have school outings, excursions.
I'm confused about the team buildings. How does that work?
So we basically work with Playworks or any of the other team building companies. Our inflatables can be rolled and folded away. That's an incredible part of it. Then we have the team building exercise. If the weather is not so good, we can do everything inside. Otherwise, we do it outside. So with the partnership of Playworks, we basically can do a variety of those team building activities. And this is a toddler zone area for 4 years and below.
Okay, nice. How long are you guys operating?
From September last year.
Awesome. What's upstairs?
More bouncers. So you want to see the balcony? So this is generally where we have the zip line or the soccer field outside here.
This is such a cool venue, guys. You open on weekends as well?
Yes, open on weekends. During the school holidays, we're open 7 days a week. When schools are open, we are open maybe 4 days in a week.
Yeah.
Unless
when's your most busiest times? Like
weekends.
Weekends
We're extremely
Saturday,
busy.
Sunday.
Saturdays and Sundays. Yeah.
Do you need to book the venue specifically for braais or what? How does it work?
Yes,
for braais?
you can tell us if you want a braai, then we source your product, tell us how many. So we basically.
Oh, you sort all the sourcing out?
Yeah, everything we do.
It's not really a bring and braai, it's more of a.
No, we do everything for you.
Okay.
You just come and relax.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's important because you don't know.
And all our salads and
all
stuff
that.
all made in-house. We do large platters as well. So for all our birthday parties, we do our platters all in-house.
It's such a big venue as well. I think the karaoke thing is attracting me there. The lights.
A lot of the parents book that out on a Saturday afternoon.
Oh yeah?
So these are additional bouncers. That's the volleyball. That's just the
so
smaller
many.
kids can go on that. That's the climb and slide. That's the obstacle course, and that's the assisted bungee.
I've never seen this before, and it's got like a trampoline thing. Well, guys, now you know what to do on the weekends. Bring your kids here. I mean, we just come here to showcase the work that he's been doing, and this is what we come across.
Beautiful, ma'am. I can't believe it. From the first day I came inside of here. So basically, we've created.
Oh, this is the inside of the lights.
Those are the panels that you see inside the stuff.
On there.
Yeah. And then on the top of there, you can see we have developed party rooms. So those are going to be party rooms in the top there.
Yeah.
Where the guys have the, separate parties from the party. Yeah.
From the party down,
Yeah. So we have created that with the aluminum space again, using our technology, again, roofing, all that. And this is Eterna, guys.
This venue is so cool.
Eterna. Outside, upstairs, there's a soccer field.
I can check this out. He's having a tour there. So yeah, I was kind of right. I was right in a way. In a way.
Stay tuned for the next video where we visit yet another massive venue that Window World has been a part of. My name's OG. Subscribe.